to start out with these power chords: E, 022, and then F sharp 244 up to the G 355. So we got 1, 2, 3. And you can kind of just start with just the E bass and then go into the 2 chords. So 1, 2, 3. Same kind of thing here, but with the A bass, and then to the 4 power chord, the C sharp, into the D power chords. After the 3 we come in, so 1, 2, 3. Slide that one down, and then we got the open to the 2 and 3, so that's A to the B and C power chords. We're gonna slide that C chord down to a B flat there on the 1st fret. And hit that G a couple times on the big strings there. So we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we do that like twice, and we pop in on this C on the upbeat, so it's. Okay, so C power chord on the upbeat. And we have that D kind of honky tonk thing. We start with that pinky on the 9th fret of the D string with that D power chord. We hit that a few times. This is like the G power chord with that 4th fret of the G string in there with it. And then basically that riff is the verse too. We're going to do this a couple more times for the verse. We got. Now this 3rd time we're going to go. So we have an E minor chord. We got 7, 9, 9, 8. You can do that 7 down there too if you want. You just kind of want to hear that 8 to get that minor feel. Then there's a fill that's really cool. That's going to go on top of that E minor chord later on. We'll get to that. Okay, so this 3rd time was. So we went to the C. We kind of have a 5 to 7 on the A, 5 on the D, kind of back to that, back to our G chord there. So once again, it was like. So we have a 7, 5, 7, 5. We got a couple of D power chords there. So we had the. 2, 3 on that ABC. And on this one, we're gonna go like 0, 2, 3, and kind of hit the 3, 2, 0 of a C, open C chord. It'll end with 2 on the D, open G, open D, to the big 3 of a G chord, kind of on the upbeat before the new measure. So it'd be like. Okay, so it goes right back into that kind of pre-verse thing. We're into a new verse. 2, 3, 4. See, I can do like a kind of a muted and then an upstroke instead of just the downstrokes from normal. So. 7, 8, 8. And then 8, 6, 8. Bend the 8 to the 6, so it's 2, 3, 4, 1. To that 6, let me go 8, 6 on the B, little 6 to 8 over here. Let me go 8, 6, 7 to 5 on the G, 3, 5 on the D, little 3. So let's look at all that we got. There you go, 3, 6 on the second. Bend the 5 on the G up and down, go 3, 5, 5. So then 5, 3, bend the 5, going up those 3s to that 3. So it's 5, 3 on the D, slide into the 7, 6, 6, 8. So once again, 3, 4, 1. Now we're going to do a wide bend, a 1.5 step bend on this 8. Come down, get the 6, 8. 8, 6, 8 to the little 6, little bend. We're going to come middle finger on the 12 and the G. So we have 12, 11, 12, 13. Bend the 13 to the 11, 12 and the G. 12, 10, 12, 11. It's going to slide way up. So everything again, we got 3, 4, 1. Okay, now we have little 15, 18 on the second. We're going to bend the 17 on the third. 15, 2 17s, so 17, 15. So that was little string 18, bend, and then a regular 18. 15 on the second. So that was 17 on the G. 15 on the B, and then 15, 16, 17 on the G, little 15. We do that twice. 18, kind of like a don't bend it, and then bend it a little bit, and then bend it a bunch of times to the full step there. Okay, so it's like. Okay, end up on that 15 right there. So that's the solo. We'll hit it one more time. 3, 4, 1. Okay, there's some other things to talk about. We got some slide in the beginning. Okay, so we have a G chord here, 12, 12, and 12 in the D, G, and B strings. Kind of swells in, maybe like a volume pedal or something. Let me have this. We got this little 15 down there, and then we're gonna have 13 on the second. Okay, so we had the 13 on the second string, 13, 14, 15, and that slides to the 17, so it's, and then 11 to 10 to 8, and then 9 on the G, and then D string, 9, 8, 7, and 5, so. Okay, then the next one's going to start the same. Okay, that's gonna be 16 on the G. I have it written as 12, 15 twice. But it might be easier to go 16, 15, 17, 15. Okay, then at the end of the song, we've got another one of these things. We're going 13 to 15 on the second to little 15. And then into the 15. A couple more of those double 15, so it's... And then we're gonna have that. And then. So that's your ending there. Okay, then one more thing is we had that. We have a little bit of a hammer on, 7 to 9 on the D with that 7 beneath it. And it goes down to that lower one too. So it's like. And you're back into that other stuff. Okay, so after the solo and everything, we have more verse and chorus. We have a double chorus at the end, and we have that outro. So that's pretty much it for Don't Ask Me No Questions, LYNYRD SKYNYRD. 2 pages of tabs. Check it out. Thanks a lot. See you soon.